Welcome back to Factful Finance. Imagine this. You're at home, sipping your coffee, and your bank account is growing without leaving the couch. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. I'm here to show you how to make money from home, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive into this game-changing topic. In 2023, over 30% of Americans reported having a side hustle, and for many, this was the key to breaking free from financial stress. But what if you could start earning from home without the guesswork? Here's the secret. It's all about choosing the right opportunities, committing to a plan, and staying consistent. Today, we'll break down 5 ways to start making money from home that anyone can begin right now. Whether you're looking for a side gig or aiming for full-time freedom, this guide will get you there. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. I'm not endorsing any specific products or services. Always consult with a certified financial professional for personalized advice. Let's start with the first strategy, freelancing. The gig economy is thriving, and platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are full of opportunities for beginners. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or even a virtual assistant, these platforms allow you to monetize your skills without leaving your home. Take Olivia, for example. She started writing blogs part-time on Fiverr and made $2,500 in her first 3 months. She now runs a thriving freelance business. If Olivia can do it, so can you. Next, let's talk about online tutoring or teaching. With education increasingly moving online, platforms like VIPKid, tutor.com, and Chegg Tutors are looking for teachers and tutors in various subjects. Let's look at Noah, who turned his love for math into a steady income stream by teaching high school students online. He started part-time and now makes $3,000 a month just by helping others learn. And the best part? You don't need a teaching degree, just expertise in the subject you're teaching. E-commerce is another powerful way to make money from home. Whether it's through drop shipping, print on demand, or selling handmade crafts, platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify are bustling with opportunities. Take Henry, for example. He started selling custom t-shirts through Shopify and scaled his business into a 6-figure operation in under a year. You don't need to be a tech whiz. A solid business plan and some initial research will put you on the map. Investing in stocks or real estate is another avenue worth exploring. While this isn't something you can jump into without preparation, it's a viable way to build wealth from home over time. Look at Amelia, who started investing in stocks using a low-risk strategy and watched her portfolio grow by 15% in a year. Remember, always approach investments with a solid understanding of risk management. If you're unsure, it's best to consult a certified financial planner, CFP, before diving in. Lastly, let's not forget the power of content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have created entire industries for influencers. Whether you're into cooking, tech reviews, or even finance like me, there's a niche for everyone. Take Ava, who started a lifestyle channel and within 6 months began earning from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. If you've got a passion or expertise, you've got the potential to make money from home while sharing your interests. All of these strategies require time, effort, and consistency, but the beauty of them is that they can all be started with minimal investment. Plus, they give you the flexibility to work on your terms. Now, if you're wondering which of these is right for you, it really depends on your strengths, interests, and the amount of time you can dedicate. Start small, stay disciplined, and remember, success won't happen overnight. But by leveraging the right strategies, making informed decisions, and staying patient, you can build a sustainable income from home. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to making money from home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be sure to respond to as many as I can. If you found this video helpful, you're going to love what's coming up next. Want more financial insights and tips? Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on a future breakthrough. And don't forget, this content is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a certified financial professional for personalized advice. If you're looking to take your finances to the next level, click the video on screen right now.